Good morning, students. Welcome to 6th Standard Mathematics, lesson number 15, Triangles and their properties. Let's begin with learning objectives for this chapter. After this lesson, students will be able to understand what is triangle and what are the types of triangle based on sides and based on angles, and what are the properties of a triangle. Children, let's learn triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments. The vertices, sides and angles of a triangle are called the parts of the triangle. Here the three vertices are point P, point Q and point R, and the three sides are, the triangle has the three sides and three angles, and three sides are segment PQ, segment QR and segment PR. Three angles are angle P, angle Q and angle R. These are called the parts of the triangle. Let's learn types of triangles. There are two types of triangles. One is based on sides and another one based on angles. Here first one based on sides. The first triangle name is equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. And here the triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, the length of all sides PQ, QR and PR are equal. And in the triangle PQR, length of PQ is equal to length of QR is equal length of PR. And in case of equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. And second triangle name is isosceles triangle. A triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. This is the triangle ABC, that is the isosceles triangle. In triangle ABC, the length of the two sides AB and AC are equal. In this triangle ABC, this is the sides AB and side AC are equal. And in case of the isosceles triangle, the angles opposite the equal sides are also equal. That means the sides opposite to the angle is, side is AB, its opposite angle C, and side AC's opposite angle is angle B. That is angle B and angle C are also equal. And third triangle is scalene triangle. A triangle with no two sides equal is called a scalene triangle. This is scalene triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, the length of the sides are all different. That is AB not equal to BC, not equal to AC. Types of triangle based on angles. The first triangle name is acute angle triangle. A triangle with all three acute angles is called an acute angle triangle. This is the triangle ABC. All angles are less than 90 degree. In triangle ABC, there is all the three angles are acute angles. And second triangle name is right angle triangle. There is a triangle with one right angle is a right angle triangle. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree and angle P and angle R are acute angles. And third one, obtuse angle triangle. A triangle with one obtuse angle is called an obtuse angle triangle. In triangle ABC, Here angle A is an obtuse angle, that is more than 90-degree angle. Obtuse angle, and angle B and angle C are acute angles. This is properties of a triangle. First property, the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Second property, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. In triangle PQR, length of PQ plus length of QR greater than length of PR, and second one, length of QR plus length of RP is always greater than length of PQ, and length of RP plus length of PQ is greater than length of QR. Children, let's start your practice at 36. Question 1. Observe the figures below and write the types of triangle based on its angles. Now you have already learned which are the types of triangles based on its angles. The first type of triangle is a triangle with one right angle is called right angle triangle. A triangle with one obtuse angle is called obtuse angle triangle. A triangle with all three acute angle is called acute angle triangle. This is your figure. And first one is one angle is 90 degree right angle. Therefore triangle PQR is right angle triangle. And second one is one angle is obtuse angle. Therefore triangle XYZ is obtuse angle triangle. And in the third one, all the three are acute angles. All three angles are acute angle. Therefore triangle LMN is acute angle triangle. Question number 2. Observe the figures below and write the types of the triangles based on its sides. Now you have already know which are the types of triangle based on its side. First one, a triangle with all three sides equal is called equilateral triangle. Second one, a triangle with two sides equal is called isosceles triangle. Third one, a triangle with no two sides equal is called scalene triangle. The figure is here. First one, in the triangle ABC, all three sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Second one, all three sides are different. Therefore, triangle DEF is scalene triangle. And third one, in triangle UVW, two sides are equal. Therefore, triangle UVW is isosceles triangle. Question number 3. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to school. And which way is shorter? Explain and why. And here figure is given. Here Avinash is standing near his house and school position is here. It is the point C. The school position is here. And there are the three roads, road AB, road BC and road AC. And we have to find here which way is the shorter one. Solution. The two roads which Avinash can choose to go to school are road AB plus road BC and second one is road AC. And the three roads together form triangle ABC. And in this figure, Here it is, you have this figure triangle ABC, and you have already learned the property of a triangle. That is, sum of the any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, and therefore the road AC is the shorter, because the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. That is, side AB plus side BC is greater than side AC. Therefore, road AC is the shorter distance. Question number 4. The length of the sides of some triangles are given. Say what type of triangles they are. First question, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. This is the length of the sides of one triangle. Three sides are different. You have already know that since no two sides have equal length, the given triangle is a scalene triangle. Second question, 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Here two sides are same. Therefore, since two sides have equal length, the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Third question, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter. Here, since all the three sides have equal length, the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. Question 4, 3.7 centimeter for 3.4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Since no two sides have equal length, the given triangle is a scalene triangle. Question number 5. The length of the three segments are given for constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn. Give the reason for your answer. In this question, here the first question 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. The length of the three segments are given, and we have to check it whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn or not. You have already learned the properties of a triangle. That is, sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. And here length of the three sides are 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. And the conditions, first I am taking the two sides, that is 7 and 17, and third side is 8. Therefore we have to check 7 centimeter plus 17 centimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. Is 24 centimeter is greater than 8 centimeter. Therefore this condition is satisfied. That is, sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. And second one I am taking 8 centimeter and 17 centimeter. Therefore 8 centimeter plus 17 centimeter is equal to 25 centimeter. That also greater than the third side, that is 7 centimeter. And see, next I am taking 7 and 8, that is 7 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. That is, the sum of the two sides is not greater than the third side. That is, third side is 17 centimeter. Therefore, the sum of the length of two sides in C is not greater than the length of the third side. Therefore, triangle cannot be drawn with the sides 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. And second question, 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Here also we have to check sum of the any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side or not. The length of the three sides are 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. First condition, First I am taking 7 and 24. Therefore the third side is 25. 7 centimeter plus 24 centimeter is 31 centimeter. That is greater than 25 centimeter. And next I am taking 25 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Therefore 25 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is equal to 32 centimeter. That also is greater than 24 centimeter. And third one, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Therefore 24 centimeter plus 25 centimeter is equal to 49 centimeter. That side is greater than, that 49 centimeter is greater than the third side, that is 7 centimeter. Therefore the length of the sum of the length of two sides is greater than the length of the third side. Therefore triangle can be drawn with the sides 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Question number 3. 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 16 centimeter. This also you have to check the condition is, the property is satisfied or not. The length of the three sides are 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Here first I am taking the two sides are 9 centimeter and 16 centimeter and the third side is 6 centimeter. Therefore sum of the length of the two sides are 9 centimeter plus 16 centimeter is equal to 25 centimeter. That 25 centimeter is greater than third side, that is 6 centimeter. And second I am taking 6 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Therefore the third side is 9 centimeter. Therefore 6 centimeter plus 16 centimeter is equal to 22 centimeter. That side is also, that 22 centimeter is also greater than 9 centimeter. And third I am taking 9 and 6 and the third side is 16. Therefore 9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. Then 15 centimeter is not greater than 16 centimeter. Therefore this condition is sum of the length of any two sides of the triangle is not greater than the third side. Sum of the length of the two sides in C is not greater than the length of the third side. Therefore triangle cannot be drawn with the sides 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 16 centimeter. And fourth question, 8.4 centimeter, 16.4 centimeter and 4.9 centimeter. If the condition is satisfied, then only you can draw the triangle. Therefore the length of the three sides are 8.4 centimeter, 16.4 centimeter and 4.9 centimeter. First I am taking 8.4 and 16.4 as the sum of the two sides and third side is 4.9. First one 8.4 centimeter plus 16.4 centimeter is equal to 24.8 centimeter, that is greater than 4.9 centimeter. This condition is satisfied. And second one 4.9 centimeter and 16.4 centimeter I am taking. Therefore third side is 8.4. 4.9 centimeter plus 16.4 centimeter is equal to 21.3 centimeter. That also is greater than the third side 8.4 centimeter. And third I am taking 8.4 and 4.9. 8.4 centimeter plus 4.9 centimeter is equal 13.3 centimeter. That side is not greater than 16.4 centimeter. Therefore the sum of the length of the two sides in C is not greater than the length of the third side. Therefore triangles cannot be drawn with the sides 8.4 centimeter, 16.4 centimeter and 4.9 centimeter. Some more examples are shown for your better understanding. Thank you, dear students.